Hey, Shauna, is my blushing bride here?
Nope, sorry, just missed her. You can put that right there, though. I'm actually glad that we have a moment alone together.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah? I've had this huge crush on you. Before you and my sister get married, I'd like to have you once for myself. I promise. It'll be our little secret. I'll be upstairs.
Senator Brewster.
I had to know what kind of man you were before I gave away my little girl. You passed the test. I'm proud to call you son.
Lesson learned? Always keep Trojans in your car.
Oh, honey, you left your car door open.
Oh, that's okay. I got it.